Hi, John here with the Lens Pal. We're here today to talk about the Flashpoint Evolv 200, also known as the Godox AD200. When we get a new product in, we like to photograph it on the black background for our social media and website. You've probably seen some of those images already. Typically, when we photograph them, we use something like this. This is the Explore 600 from Flashpoint. As the name suggests, it's a 600 watt-second strobe. But given that we've just got in some new strobes, we figured it'd be a fun experiment to photograph the Evolv 200 using an Evolv 200. So that's what we're going to do today. This is what I would typically use, the Explore 600. It's a 600 watt-second light. And this is the Evolv 200, a 200 watt per second light. So it's a third of power, but it's less than a third of the size. And less than a third of the weight as well. This is going to be much more comfortable to carry around all day than one of these. The Evolv 200 kit comes with not just the light, but an S bracket for mounting the light onto the included light stand. The S bracket is Bowen's mount, so you can rent additional modifiers such as this 25-inch glow beauty dish / softbox. We're going to use this today for our lighting. So as you can see, we've got the Evolv 200 up on the light stand, which will be included in the kit. We've attached the optional 25-inch beauty dish to it, and I'm using the CANON remote. This thing is fantastic. We have two kits. We've got one for Sony and we've got one for Canon. Each comes with the correct controller in it. This allows me to change the power output of the strobe without having to pull it back down, change the power manually on the back. I can do it right from the back of the camera. So there you go, a quick photo shoot with the Evolv 200. It came out just as good as it does with the Explore 600. I'd still use the Explore if I needed a lot more power, if I was shooting outside trying to combat daylight, but this is great for anything where you have pretty much control over the light and you're not fighting the sun. All right, this has been John with the Lens Pal. Look for this on our website.